In the name of who, good evening. Today is Wednesday, time in Sydney, Australia. Right now is 9:21 p.m. Date is 30th of October 2024. About 2 weeks ago, I made this video. I was a forecast for you guys. As you can see here, 2 weeks ago, a forecast for some currency and crypto coin like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you are interested, please watch this video and then we go through the chart to see what happened. That was 2 weeks ago. We predict and if it's come through or not. Before I go to the chart, in the name of who, pause the video and read this, and then I go to the chart and we explain what happened. So we start with Euro USD. If you go to the chart, you will see that Euro USD that I mentioned 2 weeks ago. Let's see now. As you can see, this is live chart. Date is 30th of October and now 9/20/22. And we go to 2 weeks ago, which I believe was 14th of October. Yes, this is the 14th of October. When I make this video for you guys 2 weeks ago, their price was here. And then I mentioned that if price come into this area of the selling zone, if we get the red arrow, a small one like this, in this area we can sell it. As you can see here, market came and hit a level, and then we had another opportunity for sale, and it happened. Let me take this one. But normally, if I am in the trade, first signal I'm not going to do for the second one. Let's see and see what happened. And the price came 100 to the buying zone, and we have signal to buy, which I did not mention about this because this one was only for sale. But for the sake of the video, you can see that we had number of the arrow to buy and hit the level. This is for buy, but that prediction was only for sale, which happened. So let me do this one. It is for Euro Australia, sorry. Euro Australia. Not that's for Euro Australia. Let me take this one for you. So Euro USD. Let's see what happened to Euro USD. As you can see, this is live. Go to 14th of the October. 14th of October, and we mentioned when the price was here, I make the video. I said if price come into the selling zone, then we can sell it to this level first, and if price continue coming to the buying zone, we can buy it. So looks like that this level still is valid. Market has not reached to this level yet, so this one still is valid. So another things that, so this is still valid. For we got pound USD. Let's see pound USD. Pound USD. Let me go to. This is today. This is live. Let's go to 14th of October, 2 weeks ago. So 14th of October is here. We say price. If the price come into this area of the selling zone, we can sell it if we get the arrow. As you can see, we have an arrow to sell here. But once price came to this area, already hit this level and went up again, and we got a signal to sell. So in these circumstances, if price come into this area of buying zone, what we should do, we have to adjust the level, because already this is done. Because market came and hit this level for sale and came inside and then buy again. So for sake of the video, we have to make another level, because this level has been already hit. But I'm going to show you this one. Market came to area of the buying zone after sale. As I have mentioned, if price come in to this area of the buying zone. If we get the arrow, we can buy it to this level, but because we adjust the level now, you'll see market came, we got signal to buy to this level because we adjust the level. Market hit the level, okay, so we were correct and market went down. So that was right. Pound USD was right. Let me take the pound USD. Both was right. And then we got pound Australia. Let's see pound Australia. Pound Australia is here, as you can see. Let me go to 14th of October just to see. The price was here. I mentioned we need to see price coming to this area of the buying zone, and if we get a signal arrow like this one in this area, we can buy it to this level first, which I gave you level before, and I said if price coming to this area after hit this level, we can sell it. If we miss this buying opportunity, then if it goes to the selling zone, we can sell it. Okay, let's see what happens. Market hit that level. You can see this level we find through the software we have. It's got very good gravity. It pulls the price to it and bounce back up again, as you can see here. Hit the level, bounce back up again. Once more again happen, bounce back up again. But we need to see price coming. This is still valid. I need to see price coming to this area first, then we get a signal to buy, then we can buy it to this level. If we missed the opportunity for buy, and then if price reach to this level of selling zone, then we can sell it to this level. So this is still valid, because originally I have mentioned we need to see the price. You see here, I mentioned on the 14th of October we need to see price coming first in this area to buy. Okay, so still this is valid for the pound Australia, and we are waiting to happen in future. So let's see. So for pound Australia was still valid. Then we have New Zealand CHF. Let's see New Zealand CHF. Pound Japan. Let me see if we have a pound Japan too. Pound Japan for buy and sell. Let's see. Pound Japan. Pound Japan. Let's go to 14th of October. Okay. The price was here. I mentioned that we need to see price coming past these two red line. These two level coming to this area of the selling zone. If we get a signal, we can sell it. As you can see, the price came to the selling zone. We had a signal. We could. The prediction was correct. Let me take this one for you. Yeah, and then we had second signal again, hit a level, and then market came to the buying zone now, as you can see. Normally, because if it hits back again, we can adjust the level to this, so we don't be greedy for this. But however, we have a signal, we could enter to this level, but you can see market went up and hit those level as well. So I was correct for buy and sell. So you can see one more time this happened again and hit that level. Normally when we hit the first one, we're not going to go for second trade, but this happened again. So market went up again, and as you can see, number of the time we have opportunity to buy again to this level, opportunity to sell But as I have mentioned, once we do the trade, we're not going to go for second or third or whatever. But the reason I'm showing you the level we find on the 14th of October was very good through the software we have, and it pulled the price to it, and it's like a gravity. And now the price is here. So for the pound Japan was correct. Let me correct this one. Pound Japan was correct. For buy and sell both was correct. New Zealand CHF, let's see, New Zealand CHF, the price is here right now. Let's go to 14th of October, 2 weeks ago. Okay, we mentioned that we need to see the price coming first to buying zone, and then we can buy it to this level, which was I gave you before. And if price continue to this level, we can sell it. The price did not come into this, but as you can see, came to the level we find and bounced back up again. The gravity of this is very strong. It's like a magnet, pulls the price to the level that I found you before on the 14th of October. So once more again, hit that level, bounce back up again, and price came to the level that I mentioned on the 24th of October. We got a signal and hit that level, which is very small amount. It's not worth it, but the prediction was correct. We had a signal, but we did not have any signal here to sell, but market still hit the level. And we had again signal to buy, which is not worth it. Close to the level we had signal to sell, and market went down. And now it's still coming up. So in that case, if price coming to this area, still this is valid, we can sell it only to this level. If we get a signal of sell like this, little arrow in this area, we can sell. Okay, that is for New Zealand CHF. That was for buy was correct. New Zealand CHF for buy was correct. And for sell still is valid. Okay. Then we have gold. Let me see what we... Pound Canada we didn't have anything. Euro Canada I believe we didn't have anything. Then we had gold. Let me see gold. I think gold still is valid. Yes. Gold still did not come to this area, so it still is valid. So gold still is valid. Then we had Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, when we did the price was here, we mentioned if price come into the selling zone, we get the arrow, we can sell it. So this is good now. So not always happening. So when you have an arrow like this, what you should do, you put the red line, black line, and then you will wait. If price going above it, don't close the trade, wait for the second candlestick. If it's red, you can immediately close the trade in a loss. Okay, in here I did not see this one, but I saw this one. I entered to the market and I closed it. So this one went up, so this is loss. This is not gain, because this trade went up. So we will wait for first candlestick. If it's green, don't close it, wait for the second one, which is this one or this one, and then you close it in a loss. So this one is for loss. We were not correct. So alright. For Ethereum, let's see what is for Ethereum. Ethereum, we had this. We say if price come into this area, we can sell, and if price come into this area, we can buy. So price came here again. Same thing happened with Ethereum. This is loss because price went up. We had an arrow to sell, but we put a horizontal line for selling, and then this one, normally I do this. This is first candlestick is green, the second is red, still we are in the trade, then this one is green and this one is green, so you have to close the trade in loss. So that is for Ethereum for loss, and let's see in future what happened. So price came 100, okay, then we had a signal to buy to this level, but this new level would be here again, but we had a signal to this level, we went and hit that level. So for the sell was wrong, but for the buy was correct, as you can see here on the 14th of the October. Okay, for the sell was not correct, but for the buy, when price coming under here in this area, then it was correct, which happened on 25th of October, on the 25th of October. So for the Ethereum, what we have to say is for sell was wrong, but for buy was correct. Okay, what happened? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pair, currency pair and a crypto coin, 1 Bitcoin, 1 Ethereum. So out of these 9, still this one is valid, so it doesn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correct, okay, and 2 wrong. So out of all this, the ratio we had, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pair. Out of 9 pair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 was correct and 2 was wrong and 1 still is valid. So it's not bad, I think, because out of 9, 6 correct. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. If I have time, I will make another video for you guys. So please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. Out of 9 pair and crypto coin, 6 prediction was correct, 1 still is valid and 2 wrong. So hopefully if I find any other level in near future, I'm going to make and upload it. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Don't finish.